Nobody has ever beaten me and gone free. Today, I am going to show this girl that I am more than her. Nobody has ever beaten me and gone free. I even wonder if she's in the house. Let me go and look for her. Hi Leo, how are you today?
I'm doing great today.
Have you forgotten? Today is a D-Day.
I wanted to finish my homework.
Finish your homework, forget about that. Let's go, the match is about to begin. Let's go.
Let me close the door.
Plutôt comme ça, drague rapidement. Laisse.
I told you that today I was going to deal with you. Last week you won. You thought that you had done something great. Just watch me. How many points already?
2 back.
Okay,
2 points.
your turn.
Okay. Let me try.
You are cheating.
How am I cheating? What's wrong, my dear? What is going on? One can really die. I don't really know what's happening. Who is this guy? I always know what I'm thinking of. No, here am I.
I was wondering. Where did you go to?
I wanted to bring one.
Okay. Continue the match.
I was the one.
And I'm the one leading. Be fast about that. I told you, you can never beat me. My friend, let's go and have something to eat.
Okay. I don't even know which
Monte comme ça. Ah, allez, il passe chez toi. Il passe.
stomach. My stomach.
It's not too far.
It's paining. My stomach. My stomach.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
My friend is very ill.
What's her name?
Patience.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old, doctor.
Where do you live?
I live in Ballet.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a student.
Can I know where you go to school?
I attend classes at Jeweils Bafisa.
How do you feel?
Terrible, doctor. I feel pain all over my body. I have stomach ache. I rush to the toilet often. The least thing that I eat, I have to vomit it out. Doctor, it's terrible. I don't really know what's wrong with me. What do you think can be the cause of all that?
Okay, Patience.
Yes,
What
doctor.
did you eat?
I lastly ate puff puff some few hours ago with my good friend here.
And it's just after that?
Just after that, I realized that it wasn't going. I just had stomach upset, just pouring out.
Okay. In that case, I'm going to examine your right hand. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay. All right.
Take it easy.
That's good.
Easy. Okay.
Let me see.
Hi.
Okay.
Doctor, let me rest a bit. Let me rest a bit.
Ooh. What's all this? What's all this? Patients,
Yes, doctor.
after the examination, I realized there is really nothing alarming.
Nothing?
Nothing.
What do you mean, doctor?
So, you are going to buy the following drugs. You are going to take them for 1 week, and after that, you come for control. Is that okay?
Doctor,
You are going to be well, patients.
if I may ask
Please.
a question.
Yes, dear.
What am I really sick of?
Cholera.
Holy what?
You are going to be well.
Doctor, you mean to tell me that
Remember
after
this.
some few minutes I'm going to die?
No, patients, you're not going to die. Take care, patients. Remember, when you go back home, make sure you wash your hands before and after meals. Is it okay? Use soap and clean water. When you use the toilet, when you come out of the toilet, you wash your hands very well. Make sure, patients, you don't drink dirty water. Boil your water before you drink. If you cannot boil, do you have filter? Okay, you're going to try to afford one. If you make use of these rules, you are going to be well, and every other person is going to be well. A smile, patients, you'll be well.
Let's go there. It's going to be up to good. I hope so.